Hi, we're the girls from Google's Cuisina. I'm Joanne.
I'm Kelly.
And I'm Jackie.
And we are finishing up our week of Sideline with a green bean,
almond, and onion toast.
Okay, you can add all the ingredients in there.
We're starting with our green beans that we actually steamed for about 5 minutes.
And
you want them to be bright green,
like
but
that.
you don't want them to be super tender.
Right, because we're going to cook them just a little bit more when we finish with this. So, Jackie, what do you got going?
So in here I have an onion that I'm just sauteing with some olive oil, and then I'm going to add some garlic.
And we want that to become a little like a goldenish color before you get to add your garlic, and then that's going to cook down a little bit more. And then we're going to add our green beans to it, season it. We're going to put some almonds, some toasted almonds in there.
So we've got a quick side that will go with any dish you come up with.
Right. We'll be right back. Okay, so our onions are nice and golden now. If you want to show them. Beautiful.
Like that color.
So now we want to add our sliced garlic.
And you want the garlic to get golden. Bring out the real flavor of the garlic. It takes a couple of minutes, so you just stir that in, let it cook up before we add our string beans.
It actually gets golden pretty quickly.
It does, yeah.
Garlic tends to cook really fast.
And actually, while the garlic is cooking there, you could add the string beans.
Yeah, because what's going to happen is that it'll continue together. So I'm going to put our string beans right in there. There you go.
If there's any water in the bowl, just don't, you don't want to put the water in there. And you're going to just mix in the string beans so they're nicely coated with the olive oil.
Get those.
And you want to season them with some salt and pepper.
Okay, let's just add salt and pepper. So this doesn't have to cook very long again because you already steamed your
It only takes a couple of minutes. The recipe's on our blog, so you can just follow that. It tells you exactly the time that you need.
Okay, I'm just going to toss that. And it looks so pretty too. It gets nice and glossy.
It does.
And then we have our toasted almond slivers that we're going to add to this. A little play on an almondine, right?
But we Greeks are big on almonds, so
yeah,
it goes really well with this dish.
And now we're going to add our almonds right on top. We're going to let those toast in a little bit too.
They are pre-toasted, but you also want them to soak up some of the olive oil as well.
And they look like they're just about done now. We're going to put them in our dish.
The green beans are just fork tender. They're still a little bit crisp.
Okay, and we're just about done. Taking them out of here. Just toss all that goodness right over the top. Don't leave any almonds behind.
No.
Okay. And there we have
Our green bean, almond, and sauteed onion. Kaloriksi.